How's it going, everyone? My name is Frank Ruiz, your San Antonio real estate agent, and today we're back out here at Cinco Lakes community, located off of 1604 just south of Highway 90. Now, last time we were out here, we talked about another home builder in this community by the name of MI Homes. And today I want to highlight a different builder within this community by the name of Bella Vista Homes. Now, Bella Vista Homes is in their second phase of development, which is going to allow for plenty of inventory within the area. Another portion that's in development right now in the community is going to be their amenity center. Now that's going to consist of a swimming pool and also a playground. Now, before we go any further, if you're returning back to my channel, I want to welcome you back. And if you're here for the first time, I want to introduce myself. My name is Frank Ruiz, a San Antonio real estate agent. Now, if you're looking at purchasing a home, or if you're relocating from another city or state, or looking to list your home within the San Antonio market, I'm here to assist you in any way I can and just be a resource of information for you. So feel free to like this video, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, as I'll be rolling out videos weekly, highlighting the different communities within the San Antonio area. Now let's go look at this model home. Okay everyone, today we're going to be looking at the Hawthorne model by Bella Vista Homes. As I mentioned earlier, Bella Vista Homes is starting their second phase of development, along with the community's amenity center, which include a swimming pool and a playground that are currently under construction and should be ready by spring of 2023. Now, this home in particular is 2,048 square feet and features 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. And where the 2-car garage sits is currently being utilized as a builder's sales office. Now, what's great about this floor plan is that it can be built with 2 different alternate second floor options. This specific model home has a game room on the second floor, but you can select from 2 other options that best fit your needs. If you like this home or would like to see any other homes this community has to offer, feel free to contact me. My information will be in the description below, and I hope you enjoy this tour.